Assalamu alaikum class 3. How are you all? I hope you all fine and doing great at your homes. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. So Bilal, you tell me what is our previous topic? Yes. Now we have to start. Our previous topic is representation of numbers. So how we can represent the numbers? So Qasim, you tell me how many types of representation of numbers? Yes, there are two types to represent the numbers. कितनी types हैं हमारे पास? Two types. So there are two types. Two types of representation of numbers. What is our first type? Walid, you tell me what is your first type? Yes, our first type is write the numbers into words form. First type is WORD, words form. Our first type is words form. So what is your second type? Ali Raza, you tell me. Yes, our second type is figures. Second type is figures. So two types of representation of numbers. The first type is words form and second type is figures. Now we have to solve the examples. So we are identify what is the word type and what is the figure type. Example number 1. Example number 1. 5. Example number 1. Write the number into words form. We have to write the number into words form. Example number 1, which is write the number into words form. So the number is 7, 9, 8, 5, 4, 6. The number is 7, 9, 8, 5, 4, 6. So what is your first step? Sanan, you tell me. Yes, our first step is write the place value. Our first step is write the place value of each digit. So what is the place value of 6? Meerab, you tell me. Yes, the place value of 6 is unit or ones. The place value of 6 is unit or ones. Taha, you tell me what is the place value of 4? Yes, the place value of 4 is tens. What is the place value of 5? Zishan, you tell me beta, what is the place value of 5? The place value of 5 is 100. So what is the place value of 8? Harim, you tell me. Good. The place value of 8 is 1000. So what is the place value of 9? Horan, you tell me what is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 is 10,000. So what is the place value of 7? Raima beta, you tell me. Good. The place value of 7 is 100,000. So how we can read the number? Mahab, you tell me how we can read the number. Yes, we will read the number according to place values. हम numbers को कैसे read out कर सकते हैं? According to place values. So the number is 798,000. 798,000. 546. Now we have to write the number. The number is 700. SEVEN 7. HUNDRED 546. The simple is write the place value of each number of each digit, then write the numbers in the form of words. 798,546. How simple is it? कितना आसान है. Just write the first value of each digit. Yes, just write the place value of each digit, then read the number according to place value. 798,000. 798,546. Then write the numbers in the form of words. Now we have to go on example number 2. Example number 2. Write the number name in figure. Write the number name in figure. Number names को according to हमें कैसे लिखना है? In figures. The example is 400,000. 400,000. 400,000. 400,000. 300 and 300 and 40. So Waleed, you tell me what is your first step? Yes, our first step is good. Our first step is write the place values. क्या लिखनी है? Write the place values. From where we start writing the place value? Aruj, you tell me beta. Yes, from right hand side and from unit or ones. हम कहाँ से place values को लिखना शुरू करते हैं? From unit or ones. So what is your second place value? Good. Tens, 100, 1000. 10,000. Then we have 100,000. So now read the number. So Suleiman, read the number. Yes, the number is 400,340. The number is 400,000. This 4 belongs to the place value of 100. This 4 belongs to the place value of 100,000. कौन सी place value के साथ belong कर रहा है? 100,000 की. So we will write 4 on 100,000 place value. Ahmed, now you tell me what number we have to write on tens and 1000 place values. Yes, we put zeros. हम क्या put कर देंगे? Zeros on 10,000 and 1000 place values because no numbers are given on 10 and 1000 place values. Just the number is 400,000. So we will write 400,000. Now we have 400. 3 belongs to the 100 place value. So we will put 3 and 40. 40. लास्ट में हम क्या लिख देंगे? 4 and 0 is equal to 40. I hope these two examples will help you to recall the concept of representation of numbers. Now we have to go on today's topic, which is, or today's topic is conversion of expand form into numbers. CONVERSION. Conversion of expand form into numbers. Or today topic is conversion of expand form into numbers. First we will learn what is expand form. हमने पहले ही सीख लिया था कि expand form क्या होती है. Expand means फैला कर लिखना. Write the numbers according to the place values. Now we have to solve the. Now we have to change the expand form into original numbers. अब हमें क्या करना है? अपने एक्सपैंड फॉर्म के नंबर्स को ओरिजिनल नंबर्स में चेंज करते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल नंबर 1. हम डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे और उससे आपको अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा हाउ वी कैन कन्वर्ट द एक्सपैंड फॉर्म नंबर्स इनटू नंबर्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1. द एग्जांपल इज 5 0 plus 9. What number is it? Fatma, you tell me. What number is it? Yes, the number is 59. The number is 59. We have to add 9 on the ones place value. Unit or ones. Unit, ones and 10. क्या है? We have to add the unit place values. हमें unit place की values को क्या करना है? ऐड करके लिख देना है. दरमियान में साइन कौन सा है? एडिशन का साइन. Means we have to combine these numbers. We have to add these numbers. The first number is 5050 and second number is 9. So when we add 0 into 9, जब भी हम 0 में कोई नंबर ऐड करते हैं तो हमेशा हमारे पास वो सेम नंबर ही आंसर में आएगा 7. सो सिंपल. कितना सिंपल है. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 2. एग्जांपल नंबर 2. 300 plus 7070 plus 8. So what is your number? Fatma, you tell me, what number is it? Yes, this number is 3, 7 and 8. The number is 378. हमने कितनी आसानी से लिखा. फर्स्ट नंबर को फर्स्ट प्लेस वैल्यू पे, सेकंड नंबर को सेकंड प्लेस वैल्यू पे और थर्ड नंबर को थर्ड प्लेस वैल्यू पे. Simple. 378. Now example number 3. 8 Meerab, you tell me What number is it? Yes, the number is 8072. क्या है, हमने फर्स्ट नंबर को लिखना है. अब आप देखो 1 2 3 जीरोस, तो 3 जीरोस तो यहाँ पर भी हैं. फिर ये वाला नंबर इस प्लेस वैल्यू पे लाई करेगा और ये वाला नंबर इस प्लेस वैल्यू पे लाई करेगा. हमने सब नंबर्स के फर्स्ट नंबर्स लेने हैं. जब आप देखो एक्सपेंड फॉर्म ले रहे थे, फर्स्ट नंबर फिर जितने नंबर्स होते हैं जीरोस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4 सॉल्व करते हैं. इसमें एक नंबर लिखेंगे उसको एक्सपेंड फॉर्म में और उसी को चेंज करके नंबर्स में चेंज करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, expand form. The number is 60727. Now we have to write the numbers according to place value. Example number 4 solve कर रहे हैं. उसमें हमारे पास एक नंबर है, हमने इसको expand form में लिखना है. Expand form means yes, write the place value of each digit. So Khansa, what is the place value of 7? Yes, the place value of 7 is unit or ones. What is the place value of 2? Sarin, you tell me. Yes, the place value of 2 is tens. What is the place value of 7? Saira, you tell me. Good, 100. So what is the place value of 0? Maria, you tell me. 1000. Nuruddin, you tell me what is the place value of 6? Good. The place value of 6 is 10,000. No, Abdul Hadi, you tell me what we have to do. Yes, we have to write first number and write zeros. Then count 1 2 3 4. Then count how many numbers after 6. हमें फर्स्ट नंबर लिखना है, उसके बाद काउंट करना है 1 2 3 4. 4 नंबर्स है हमारे 6 के बाद. सो वी विल पुट 4 zeros. कितने zeros पुट कर दिए? 4. Now we have to go on second number. Put the sign plus. Second number is 0. 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. We have 3 numbers after 0. So we will put 3 zeros after 0. Same as it is 7. 1 2. We have 2 numbers after 7. So we will put 2 zeros on after 7. Now we have 2 plus 2. We have just one number after 2. So we will put 1 0. Now we have 7. No number after 7. So we will write 7 on last place value. देखिए हर एक नंबर्स को अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस वैल्यू लिखा. Then we have 6 4 zeros, 0 3 zeros, 7 2 zeros, 2 1 zeros, 7 no zeros. सेम एज इट इज हम सबके फर्स्ट नंबर को लेंगे और अगेन नंबर्स जनरेट कर देंगे. हाउ सिंपल इज इट. ये हमारे पास हो गई एक्सपेंड फॉर्म. हमने अपने नंबर्स को किस फॉर्म में लिखा है? एक्सपेंड फॉर्म को. देन वी विल टेक द फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ ईच नंबर. फिर हमने क्या किया? हर एक नंबर का फर्स्ट नंबर लिया और उसके साथ दोबारा से नंबर को जनरेट कर दिया. Now we will solve example number 5. Example number 5 is 4 0 1 2 3 4 plus 3 0 1 2 3 plus 9 1 2 3 plus 6 1 2 plus 5, 0 plus 1. Now we have to solve on example number 5. What number we have to write first? Ahmad, you tell me. Yes. Yes, we have to write first 4. हमें सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है? 4. Then we will go to the second number. Then we have to write 3. Then we will go to the third number. That third number is 9. Then we have a number which start from 6, 5 and 1. I hope these 5 examples will help you to solve the assessment of conversion of expand form into numbers. If you find any difficulty, you can text me on Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.